Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Lina Talk. In this video, we have an interesting conversation about robot can be a human. This is a fun way to practice English with simple words, phrases, and sentences. We will also think about robots and humans. Let's get started.
Hi, Eva. How are you today?
Hi, John. I'm good. What about you?
I'm fine. I have a question for you.
Oh, what is it?
Do you think a robot can be a human?
I don't think so. A robot is just a machine.
But robots can talk, walk, and work like us.
Yes, but they don't have a real heart or feelings.
Maybe one day they will. Technology is growing fast.
That's true, but it makes me a little worried.
Why worried?
Because robots can take human jobs. People may have no work.
Oh, yes, I understand. But robots can also help us with hard work.
Yes, that's good. But still, I believe robots cannot be real humans.
And I believe maybe one day they can be almost like humans.
Maybe. But for me, human is always special.
Okay, let's agree to disagree.
Yes, that's fun.
Do you feel your English is growing? Don't be shy or afraid if you feel you don't understand clearly. Just listen to be familiar. It's good to share ideas and practice English together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting video.